Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a data field into a Podio app? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add another data field into your Podio app anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing your customers and clients through Podio, you know that sometimes you're going to have data fields that are specific to your company, and you want to be sure to add those into the data collected. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a data field into one of your Podio apps, here on the top left, you're going to click on this hamburger menu, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to choose the workspace that you want to add a data field into. So for example, this one right here, Chinese food team 2. Once you do that, you're going to see all the apps you have for that workspace. You can see I have deals and hot seller leads. So for me, I'm going to add a data field into hot seller leads. So now when you click into one of these leads, you're going to see all of the data we collect. So we have the property address, first name, last name, phone numbers, if the property is listed for sale, asking price. So just a lot of different data. So if you want to add to this, you're going to need to change the template. So there's two different ways you can do this. From inside the lead, you can click on this button here, modify template, and you're going to be able to add other fields in. Now, if we go back to the app home screen, so here we are on hot seller leads. We have the two apps right here. We can click on the app we want to add a data field into, and then you click on this little wrench icon. Once you do that, you're going to click on modify template. Either way, it's going to bring you here. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and grab one of these fields. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and add a text, and I'm going to drag it right on over, and you can see where you do that, it's going to turn dark gray, and that's where you're going to add in the new data field. So I just dropped that, and what I did is I added a text box. So maybe I want to go ahead and have my coworkers let me know what color of the house is. So I'll put here, what color is house? Okay. And then we're going to click on done here on the left. All right, it's going to process. Now what we can do is we can go back into our leads. And if we scroll down, we're going to be able to see that new data field right here. So what color is house? So now my coworkers can click in here and say, this is a rainbow house. Okay. And that way it updates. And now we have a new data field that we can track inside of our Podio app. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new data field into your Podio template for one of your apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.